In this tutorial, we are going to do an application that includes three objectives. The first objective that is to find the gradient of y equal f of x at a given point. Then we are going to find the gradient when y equal f of x. The second objective is to find the coordinates of a point where the curve has a given value of a gradient. And the third objective is to find the gradient of y equal f of x where the curve meets a straight line. For this purpose, we are going to exercise number 7, page 122, where we are asked to first we have f of x equal 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. In part A, we are asked to find the gradient of y equal f of x at the point half 0. Then, the first thing to do is to look at f of x, which is y equal 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. The gradient or the differentiation of y is, we can do for each term separately. For x squared is 2x multiplied by the coefficient 4. 8x, the differentiation for it is 1, then it's 8 multiplied by 1, and for 3 is 0. Then the remaining is going to be 2 multiplied by 4 is 8x minus 8. Therefore, the gradient for or f prime of x equal to 8x minus 8, and this is the general form for the gradient when we have f of x. At the point half 0, then we do direct substitution in f prime of x. We are going to substitute x, then x is half. In f prime of x, it will be f prime of half. 8 multiplied by half minus 8 is equal to 4. 8 multiplied by half is 4. Minus 8 equal to minus 4. Therefore, we can say at the point half 0, the gradient is equal to minus 4. Now, part B, find the coordinates of the point on the graph of y equal f of x where the gradient is 8. Then we are asked to find the point on the graph when f prime of x equal to 8. But from part A, we found the equation for f prime of x, that is 8x minus 8. Then for f prime of x equal to 8, we can say 8x minus 8 equal to 8. Then we are going to have a simple equation, 8x minus 8 equal to 8. We can now add 8 to both sides, then we will get 8x equal to 8 plus 8, then equal to 16. Dividing both sides by 8, we are going to get x equal to 2. Now we found the x coordinate. We are asked to find x and y. To find y, then we have to substitute in the original equation of y, that is y equal to 4x squared plus or minus 8x plus 3. Substituting 2, then 4 multiplied by 2 squared minus 8 multiplied by 2 plus 3. This is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 minus 16. 8 by 2 is 16 plus 3 equal 16 minus 16 plus 3. This is equal to 3. Therefore, the coordinates x, y for the point where the gradient is 8 is 2, 3. Therefore, using all of these steps, we were able to find the point at the graph.